I'm headed to a close-to-the-loop West Loop location that has great proximity to restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit for a tour of one of the apartments at the always popular Presidential Towers. I'm in apartment 3901, a one-bedroom convertible in Tower 4, looking at the foyer where there's a wide closet. Turning around to look at another linen closet as you head into the bath. Attractively finished. Plank flooring extends throughout the living area. Turning into the living area now. Looking out toward a great view over the West Loop. I see Whole Foods and Mariano's grocery stores just across the way. Looking toward the south, you can see some of the great expressway and public transit access. Walking distance to the University of Illinois at Chicago campus. And of course the fabulous West Loop dining and nightlife scene. We're gonna have great sunset views from here. Turning toward the kitchen. It's an efficient U-shaped layout. Stainless steel appliance package includes a 4-burner electric range. There's a dishwasher. Dark cabinetry, one of the finish options here at Presidential Towers. And then heading toward the sleeping area, which closes off for privacy by a sliding door that you're looking at, and also by another door from the hallway. 2 closets in the sleeping area, which is carpeted. Presidential Towers has extensive amenities, a very convenient location, apartments that tend to be larger than what you're going to find in many of the newer buildings. Really want to put Presidential Towers high on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.